Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Mazda 3 Sport Lux. This car comes with the 2-litre petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 120 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 44 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this is a 2-owner vehicle, having covered just over 47,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic jet black and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look aside, the theme continues. So you've got the nice clean interior, seats they're in really good condition, really comfy and supportive being this sport. And there's an armrest and 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention: the car also has heated front seats, climate control, cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And on the driver's door card you then have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. For a hatchback, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And as you see, again, the car is in nice clean condition in the rear. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, nice and deep, with the rear seats that can be folded down, as well as the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage, as well as your tyre inflator kit there at the back. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 18-inch gunmetal alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128 point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.